everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Amelia and I post new life and style videos every Wednesday at 4 p.m. So today we are doing another review, and I am reviewing the Lucea, I think that's how you say it, 1-inch professional styling hair straightener. This has like the top reviews on Sephora.com. So that's part of the why I bought it. I also bought it because it was reasonably priced. Obviously not gonna buy that like $500 Dyson hair straightener. That is insane. As you can tell, my hair is like pretty just curly, a little frizzy right now. I washed it yesterday, then worked out, so it's just like kind of been through a day. I haven't put anything in it. I'm not even going to add anything to my hair when I straighten it because I just want to see what this does, like point blank, period. Okay, so welcome to my bathroom. It is almost finished. I'm very excited because I got it painted pink, and we all know how I love pink. So just opening it now. Literally have not opened this at all since I got it like 4 weeks ago. So it's very sleek. It's just white with rose gold. It's even got a little bit of pearl eyes, which you probably can't see. And it has one of those nice like Velcro things. I love that every cord comes with this now, because we really learned that there's just so many cords, and it's just so nice that they're all wrapped up. Read the directions probably because it's not turning on. Okay, first tells you a temperature guide, and it's with the little like holes on the side are the heat. So 1 through 9, and then it says like for coarse hair, 7 through 9, medium 5 to 6, fine 1 to 4. I probably have medium hair, so I would do that. But like, how do I turn it on? Oh, you gotta press it really fast. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. Math is hard. Okay. So it's heating up right now, and you can see that with the little LED lights. I probably should have like read this so it works a little bit better. But it really doesn't say like, double tap the power button to unlock. I should read. Now tap until you reach your desired setting. Okay. Okay. I can start to feel it's getting like a little warm. I'll leave it for a little bit longer. So I have been and used the same cheese straightener that my mom bought off eBay since middle school, which is bananas. Like literally the same one. This cheese straightener with the cheetah print has been with me since middle school, and I am 26 years old. So the reason why I got a new one is I just felt this wasn't getting as hot as it used to. And you know, if the plates don't get hot enough, it starts to like pull and just do weird things to your hair. It's like, you know, it's had a good run. I think I got my money's worth from it. So I'm gonna try and order a new one, and that's exactly what I did. But obviously it hasn't been urgent because I have not straightened my hair since my birthday back in March, and it's now August, which is just so, it's just so crazy. I think it's hot enough, so I'm going to try. I'll brush my hair again. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, after like going over it a few times, that piece is like pretty straight. It feels pretty soft. Okay, I don't know if maybe I need to like, alright, I'm gonna put it up to 6 just to kind of see what happens. Because I didn't really feel like it was hot enough. It took me like a few times to go over, but I don't want to burn my hair. And that's like, it's pretty straight. So probably on average with the Chi, it took me around 15 to 20 minutes to straighten my hair, also depending on like how straight I wanted it. Like if I just need a quick run through, it could probably be like 12 minutes, but if I really wanted like straight and then I would style it and straighten again, it would definitely be closer to 20 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I will check back in later. Okay, so here is my finished hair. Took me about 10 minutes to do, which is like a pretty good time. I didn't even like have the clip. I don't know where my clips are, but I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it's shiny and straight and it didn't smell like it was frying my hair. I will definitely obviously use a heat protector next time. I just wanted to see what it would do without anything on and how my hair was going to feel. And yeah, it feels pretty good. And I have to say, for cutting my own hair for the past few months, my hair doesn't look too bad. Because with curly hair, you can kind of get away with crazy things. But yeah, I mean, I like this straightener. The only negative maybe is it's just like, I don't know if it's like wider or just shaped differently. I feel like this part, I'm not gonna touch it because it's still really hot, is a little higher than my Chi, so it's more just me getting used to how to use it. And I think the reason it's like that is because this is one of the straighteners that you can curl your hair with, which looks like brain surgery to me. I don't know how girls do that. It looks so complicated for whatever reason, but yeah, I really like my hair and I forgot what I looked like with straight hair. Kind of like it. It's kind of like fun and fresh. So this was like a really quick review. It was just, you know, something I bought in quarantine that I thought I would try out, as it did have a lot of positive reviews on Sephora. I was like, is everyone lying or is everyone telling the truth? Turns out everyone is telling the truth. So if you're in the market for a decently priced hair straightener, I would go with this one. Like, I have zero complaints. If anything comes up between the time that I'm shooting this to editing and uploading, I will put it in the description below. But otherwise, I really like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick little review video. Again, please stay safe, wear your masks, practice social distancing. Oh my god, I think my food is here, so it's the perfect time to wrap this up. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.